If you're looking to buy Ethereum on NDAX but aren't sure where to start, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to place your first Ethereum purchase on the NDAX app. Let's get started. Open the NDAX app on your phone. Once the app loads, you'll land on the trading screen. This is where you'll see a list of popular cryptocurrencies available for trading. Scroll through the list and tap on Ethereum, which is usually displayed as ETH. Once you select Ethereum, you'll be taken to the Ethereum trading page. Here you'll see the current Ethereum price, a price chart, and market information that shows how Ethereum has been performing. Near the bottom of the screen, you'll see two buttons, buy and sell. Since we're purchasing Ethereum, tap the buy button. This will open the buy order screen. By default, NDAX will usually have the order type set to market order. For most beginners, this is the simplest option because it purchases Ethereum at the current market price and typically executes almost instantly. Next, you'll need to choose how much Ethereum you want to buy. There are a few ways to do this. You can manually enter the amount of Ethereum you'd like to purchase, or you can use the percentage buttons such as 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100%. These buttons automatically calculate the purchase amount based on the funds available in your account. You can also enter a dollar amount instead. This is often the easiest method for beginners because you can simply decide how much money you'd like to invest, and NDAX will calculate how much Ethereum you'll receive. As you enter your order, you'll see several important details update automatically on the screen. You'll see the current market price, your order total, the trading fees, and the estimated amount of Ethereum you'll receive. Take a moment to review these details carefully before continuing. Double-checking your order can help prevent mistakes, especially when you're making your first cryptocurrency purchase. If everything looks correct, tap the Buy ETH button. NDAX will then show you an order confirmation screen. This is your final opportunity to review the transaction details before placing the order. Carefully verify the amount you're spending and the amount of Ethereum you're receiving. If everything looks good, tap Confirm Buying. Your order will then be submitted. Because you're using a market order, it will usually execute within seconds. Once the order is complete, the Ethereum you purchase will appear in your NDAX account portfolio. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully bought Ethereum on NDAX. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to Guides and Beyond for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.